Restaurant-style crab queso at home. Today we're making a crab queso dip. Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and we're all about tasty food made easy. Start by mixing 1 tablespoon of flour with 1.5 cups of evaporated milk. Then melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a medium-sized saucepan. Add 1/3 of a cup of sliced green onions, and let them fry for a few minutes until they're soft. Then add 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 chopped tomato, and half a cup of canned green chilies. Then stir a bit and add the dry spices. That's half a teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, and half a teaspoon canned pepper. Then stir a bit to mix up the spices. Sauté for about 5 minutes until the tomatoes are soft. Then pour in the evaporated milk and flour mix. Stir a bit and bring the mix to a boil. Then add 4 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Make sure you save 1 cup of cheese for the topping. Let the cheese completely melt while you stir the pot. When the cheese is melted, remove from the heat. Then add half of the drained crab meat and stir a bit. And then pour the crab queso mix into an oven-safe bowl. Make sure to not overfill the bowl. Then sprinkle the remaining 1 cup of cheese on top of the queso. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes until the cheese is melted. Now is the perfect time to prepare the Pico de Gallo topping and to hit like and subscribe. Combine 1 diced tomato with a tablespoon of finely sliced green onion. Then add 1 tablespoon of finely diced red onion and a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. And pour in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and mix all the ingredients really well. When the cheese is melted, remove the queso from the oven. Spread the pico and crab meat on top of the queso and serve with tricolored tortilla chips for that extra color. And there you have it, a restaurant-style crab queso dip. Make sure to share this video. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.